How to connect your Skyworth Google TV to the Wi-Fi. So the first step, press the settings button on your remote control, this one over here. Now we have the settings on the right side, go down and select Wi-Fi. Now make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, go down, select your Wi-Fi network. If you don't see it, you can also press See All if your network was not one of the top one. So I'll select this network I want to connect to. I'll press the middle button here to select it. Now it's time to type the password using the keyboard down below. Select the check mark, press OK, and now it will connect. You'll get this message when it's done successfully. And this is about it. You can go back on the home screen of your TV and start using the different apps, since now you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Please leave a comment down below if this tutorial was helpful, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.